Hey everybody, this is Jody from Bird Dog Off-Road Adventures. Just going to let you guys know we got a good series coming up here. It's a Colorado series. As most of you all probably know that follow me on Instagram and on here, we just got back from Colorado for a whole week in mid-July. So unfortunately, there was still a lot of snow this past winter, so some of the trails were still closed. Some of the ones we were looking most forward to is Ophir Pass, which is still closed as of this recording, which is mid-August. So they're saying it may not open this year at all. They don't seem to be in a hurry. They're going to let it melt. And if it opens, it opens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But more importantly, the one we wanted to do was Poughkeepsie Gulch, which unfortunately opened up like a day or two after we left. We definitely wanted to do the wall and the Bronco with the 37-inch tires and the lockers and everything, but unfortunately we couldn't squeeze it in on this trip. So mental note, if you are planning a trip to Ouray and your schedule allows, I would suggest probably mid to late August. If you want to avoid all the school kids and such and most of the tourists, you might want to even wait till a little bit after Labor Day. So just my personal opinion. Other people may disagree, but that's just what I thought I'd share with you guys. So anyway, hang tight. We got multiple videos coming up. Like I said, we were out there a whole week. We did several trails. We're going to start this first one off with Ophir Pass. So hang tight, enjoy the views, and if you want to see more of Colorado videos, we also have a series. You can follow our videos down below. There is a Forerunner series that we did when the Forerunner out there about 2 years ago. So also a little bit very intense as far as views and such like that in the trails. So anyway, I'll quit rambling on for now. But sit back and enjoy. Got more to come. Thank you.
All right. Due to technical difficulties, we did not film the going up to the top. So when I say technical difficulties, it means I forgot to take the cap off of the max mods lens on the GoPro. So sorry about that. We did get some stills here we're going to share with you guys, and then we'll get to the top. We did get some footage coming back down the other side, which in my opinion is the more scenic side. So anyway, sit back and enjoy. Hope you like. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I know this was kind of a technically short one because of the error, but stay tuned. We got more to come without errors. So long. Thank you.